Hello everyone. As far as concerned with the logarithms, we have to know the most basic fundamental operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes, of course, these terms may seem like very simple concepts for you, but there are certain rules when you are adding, subtracting or multiplying or dividing. That is some pre-assumptions you have to make, especially when you are solving with multiplication and division. Okay, what are those pre-assumptions what you have to make? Because in the previous class I had given you last one example just to interchange numerator and denominator, then solve for the value. Probably to solve that, knowing these concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of logarithms is very important. Why it is important? As far as concerned with positive values, there is no change. Same positive values. Positive values as in mathematical steps. How do you add them or subtract them? Same way you have to follow up. But when it comes to the negative values, that is when it comes to the bar values, there are certain changes. So now let me explain you each one by taking few examples. First one, addition of logarithms. Okay, so what does this addition of logarithms means? So it is very easy. First example, what I'm going to consider, 4.8793, okay, plus some 2.3954. Okay, so what it has given, 4.8793 plus 2.3954. Very simple, you can directly add this 4.8793 plus 2.3954. So if you add them, 4 plus 3 7, 9 plus 5 14. So if you take a carry over here, 10 plus 1 17, then 9 plus 3 12, then 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So the value comes out to be 7.2747. So this is simple. When it comes to the negative values, second example, what I'm going to take, 4.2753, okay, plus 3 bar 0.8527 plus 5 bar 0.2843. So here I have taken two negative values, that is 3 bar, 5 bar and one positive value 4. So what you have to do is, here you have to take the characteristic parts on one side. So what are the characteristic parts? 4 plus into, what is this? Minus 3, okay, plus again what is this? Minus 5. Keep this characteristic part one side. So all the characteristic part, 4, minus 3, minus 5 I have taken. Okay, next I want to add the mantissa parts separately. So 0.2753 plus 0.8527, okay, plus 0.2843. Okay, now 4 minus 3 minus 5 plus. So when you add these all things, the answer comes out to be 1.4123. If you want, you can add here and see 0.2753 plus 0.8527 plus 0.2843. Okay, add this, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 1 goes to the numerator, 1 goes to the carry up, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Okay, next 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 will be equal to 1. So 1.4123, this value. Okay, now what happens? 4 minus 3 is minus 1. Is it correct? So, or you can directly solve this. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So minus 4 plus 1.4123. Minus 4 is nothing but 4 bar. Again you have to take out minus 4 plus 1 plus 0.4123 as it is. So minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3.4123. So this you can write it as 3 bar 0.4123. This is how we have to solve. First taking the characteristic part, then add all the mantissa parts. So when you add the mantissa parts, you get 1.4123. So this value is check. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 will be equal to how much? Greater number is 8. So minus 4. Okay. So you get the answer as minus 4. Here what is the characteristic part again? Plus 1. Into this 0.4123 as it is you have to write. Minus 4 plus 1 comes out to be minus 3. That is nothing but 3 bar. So this is how we have to add or addition of positive numbers, addition of negative numbers. In the same way, if it comes to the matter of subtraction, then how we have to solve. Okay, for subtraction also, I take two values. Okay, the first example, 2.4937 minus 3.8625. Okay, now you can see 3.8625 is greater than this number. So how to subtract it? Same way, 2.4937 minus 3.8625. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3. So you have to, what you have to do? You have to borrow 1 from here. If you borrow 1, 14 minus 8 comes out to be 6. Okay, point. So how to do this part? Here you have already borrowed 1. What is remaining here? Only 1 is remaining. From 2, if you borrow 1 means it comes out to be 1. Minus 3 plus 1. So characteristic part minus 3 plus 1 plus this value as it is 0.6312. So minus 3 plus 1 is how much? Minus 2.6312. So you can write this as 2 bar 0.6312. This is how we have to subtract. Okay, same way borrow ಮಾಡಿ subtraction ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ same ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, but when you are doing with negative signs, be very careful. Okay, next, second one, I'll take one more example. 4.32658 minus 3 bar 0.6235. Okay, so when both numbers are given, so take 4 minus 3. Characteristic part as it is. This side 0.3258 minus 0.6235. 8 minus 5 3, 5 minus 3 2, 2 minus 2 0. Here you can not subtract 3 from 6, so you have to borrow 1 from here. So if you borrow here, what it becomes? 13 minus 6 is 7. Point. So 0 minus 1 will be equal to minus 1. So this comes out to be plus 1 bar 0.7023. Okay. So first thing in madani, characteristic part one side tagoneni. So 4 minus 3. So then mantissa part I have subtract separately here. So what you get? Minus 1 bar 0.7023. Why did you get minus 1 bar? It is very simple to know here. 3258, it is less than 6235. So you get 1 bar 0.7023. So now what you can do? 4 minus into minus is plus. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 bar 0.7023. Okay, now 7 is there, plus into minus 1 plus this number as it is 0.7023. So it comes out to be 7 minus 1 is 6.7023. So this is the answer. This is how we have to subtract. I hope addition, as far as concerned with addition and subtraction, there are no doubts. Now let's move to the multiplication. So addition and subtraction, be clear that you have to take out characteristic part on one side, mantissa part on one side, then add mantissa part along with the characteristic part. Okay, this is regarding addition and subtraction. Okay, next if we move to the multiplication and division of logarithms, it is also moves in the same plane. So first thing, if I take with the some positive number, like I'm taking out multiplication now, 4 point some number 8427 into 3 if it is there. So you can directly multiply this. So 4.8427 into 3. So if I multiply, 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6, 7, 8, 3 fours are 12, 3 eights are 24 plus 1, 25. 3 fours are 12, 13, 14. So 14.8427. So again it is very simple. Suppose in case if there is a bar number, that is negative number, if it is there, 4 bar 0.7425 into 5 if the number is given to you. Okay, multiplying directly, multiplication directly madri, 4 bar 0.7425 into 5 mad. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 1 comes here, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, 5 7s are how much? 35, 36, 37. Okay, so 7 and 3 goes here. Okay, this part. 5 4s are how much? 20. This part how we have to do is, this is 0.7125 mantissa part. So 5 7s are 35 is there, sorry, 5 7s are 35, 5 and 3 comes here. So what you have to do is, 5 4s are minus 20 plus 3. This carry out 3, you have to write it like this. Then this part as it is, 0.5125. So minus 20 plus 17 will be equal to minus 17.05 plus 0.5125. So this comes out to be 17 bar 0.5125. This is how we have to multiply. So multiplication ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, first 4 terms as it is ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. When you are multiplying with the bar terms, so what you have to do, 5 4s are minus 20. That is because bar is there, minus 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Then 3 is what carry out you have got from the previous number. 5 7s are 35, 5 and 3 you write like this. This carry out number what it has come, you have to add to this. So this becomes your characteristic part. In any number, if you have 3 bar 0.1235 into 4, if it is there, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 1s are 4. Okay, here no carry out, so 4 3s are 12 bar as it is you can write. If suppose if there is some other number other than 1 here, if there is like 3, 4 3s are what it used to happen, 12. Here it comes 1 borrow. So what it becomes, 4 3s are minus 12. What is there borrow up? Plus 1. So it comes out to be minus 11. So 11 bar 0.2920. That would be your answer. Clear? So this is how we have to do with the multiplication. So characteristic part, when it is given, you have to take out the borrow up and you have to add that to the pre-number. Is it clear? So this is multiplication of logarithms. Then the final one is division, which is most important, what you are going to apply in all the problems. Whatever we are going to solve, the most important thing is concerned with division. For example, very simple division I'll take, 2 bar 0.9745 divided by 5. So if it is positive number, I hope you know it very directly, you can divide it. If there is negative number, 2 bar 0.9745 divided by 5. This is the number given to you. Then how you have to divide it. Okay. So you can write this as 1 by 5 divided by which number? 2 bar 0.9745. So here you have to make the pre-adjustments. What did I tell you? So what is the number here? Minus 2. What is the number here? 5. So one number you have to write 5. 1 by 5 into. That is, you are dividing this. This 2 you can write it as minus 5 plus 3. Correct? Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. This number as it is. Okay. Now 5 and 5 bar, if you divide, it will be equal to 1 bar because 5 ones are. Plus 3.9745. This is a positive number, directly divided by 5. What number you get? If you divide it, you get 0.7949. You can check it out. 3.9745. If you divide by 5, you get 0.7949. So this comes out to be 1 bar 0.7949. So do not get confused when negative numbers are given. I'll explain you with one more example. 9 bar 0.4372 divided by 6 is there. Okay, this is the number given to you. So 1 by 6, it is divided by which number? 9 bar 0.4372. Okay, here what number is there? 9 is there. So 1 by 6 into this 9 I can write in terms of number which is divisible by 6. So 6 in the divide aguanta numbers al madbeku. Minus 12 plus 3 I can write. Minus 12. 12 is a number which is divided by 6. So if I write like this, 0.4372 as it is. Minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9. So next it comes out to be 1 by 6 into minus 12 plus 3.4372 divided by 6. So 1s are 2s are minus 2 plus, if you divide this number you get 0.5728. So this will be 2 bar 0.5728. Hopefully it is clear to you how you have to divide it by making the pre-assumptions. Okay, you have to adjust these values so that it is divisible. Ili 5 ittandre ili 5 tagobeku. 5 ga ee number adjust ago tara new number baribe. So 5 minus 3 gives you 2. Like that you have to adjust it. Here 12 minus 3 gives you 9. So like you have to make some adjustments in order to divide and make this simplification very easier. Because negative numbers, anti-logarithms, minus 0.7548, such numbers are given, you cannot take the values directly. So what you have to do, you have to make some pre-assumptions for that. If you take them directly also, the values what you are going to get in your anti-log, they are not proper. Proper values ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. First you have to convert it, then get the values, then only the anti-log of that number will be correct. So I'll evaluate two examples for you. One example is the example which I have given in the previous class. One more example I have taken here. So what is the number here? You can see, evaluate fifth root of 0.7875. So if you take, this is in which form? Nth root of log m. So this will be equal to 1 by n log m. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 by 5 log of 0.7875. This is what log x is equal to. Okay, this will be equal to 1 by 5 into log of 0.7875. If you check it, you get the value as 1 bar 0.8963. 78 under 7 plus 5 mean difference madri, you will get 8963. So characteristic part 0, 0 minus 1 will be equal to 1. So minus 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So 78 under 7th row plus 5 mean difference. If you add it, so value comes out to be 0.8963. Okay, next characteristic part ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ದೇನಂದ್ರೆ 0 minus 1 ಬರೀತೀರಿ, This is equal to minus 1. So 1 bar 0.8963. This thing you know it, how to find log values. Okay, now you cannot divide the number directly. What I'm going to make 1 by 5 into. I need a number 5 here. So I write minus 5. Okay, because 5 and 5 I can cancel it. If I write minus 5, in order to get minus 1, I have to add 4 to this. Minus 5 plus 1 gives you minus 1. Point, this mantissa part remains as it is. So this is equal to, so 5 bar divided by 5 will be equal to 1 bar plus 4.8963 divided by 5. So this comes out to be how much? 1 bar plus 0.9793. 4.8963 divided by 5 if you do, you will get 0.9793. So this is equal to 1 bar 0.9793. Okay, this is what log x. Next you can see the anti-log of this number. This is log x. So x is equal to anti-log of 1 bar 0.9793. So this will be equal to how much? 0.9535. Okay, 97 under 9 plus mean difference 3. If you add, you get 9535. In order to write the characteristic part, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು minus 1 plus 1 add ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ 0.9535. So log find ಮಾಡುವಾಗ characteristic part ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, anti log ಮಾಡುವಾಗ characteristic part ಗೆ plus 1 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Clear? So this is how we have to solve it. So previous example, very important one, what I had given you. Evaluate. ಇದನ್ನ interchange ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. 42.31 divided by 127.4 raised to 1 by 6. So I take log x is equal to log of 42.31 divided by 127.4 raised to 1 by 6. So that will be equal to what? Log x is equal to 1 by 6 log of 42.31 divided by 127.4. Okay, so 1 by 6 into log of 42.31 minus log of 127.4. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 6. What is log of 42.31? I hope you had got it as 1.6264 minus what is log of 127.4? It was 2.1052. Okay, so 1 by 6 into, when you subtract this, you get the number as 1 bar 0.5212. Correct? So subtract it and see 1.6264 minus 2.1052. 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 5, 1, 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So it comes out to be 1 bar 0.5212. Till here you all might have solved. Next part what you have to do is you have to take a number such that it is divisible by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 bar is there. I can write in terms of 6 means minus 6 plus 5. Minus 6 plus 5 comes out to be minus 1. Point this value as it is 5212. So this will be equal to 1 by 6 into 6 bar comes out to be 1 bar plus 5.5212 divided by 6 unit. So this will be 1 bar plus 5.5212 divided by 6. If you do, you get 0.9202. Okay, you can divide and see it using your calculators. You get 1 bar 0.9202. So log x value is equal to 1 bar 0.9202. So x is equal to anti-log of 1 bar 0.9202. So 92 under 0 plus 2 mean difference, if you add it, you will get the value as 8322. 92 under 0 ಎಷ್ಟದ value 8318 ಅದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ mean difference 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಅದ. Mean difference 2 column, if you see, it comes out to be 4. 8322 is there. So what is the characteristic part? It is -1. -1 plus 1 comes out to be 0. So 0.8322. This is your answer. If you solve it by using scientific calculator, you will get this value. But when you are seeing with log table, then you have to follow up the procedures. So I hope now, especially when it is concerned with multiplication and division, you people have got how to do. So when it is divided by ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೀ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, hope it is clear to you how to solve it. So further we are going to see the examples based on the same concepts. Thank you.